This is an unboxing and first-time setup video for a 6-person instant camping tent. I've tried those old traditional tents where you have to deal with all those annoying poles, so I decided to give an instant tent a try. You don't have to get this exact brand or model if you decide to buy one, because most instant tents seem to work in a very similar way. It comes with a carrying bag, and the setup instructions are attached right to the bag. Now let's open it up. While it's definitely more convenient to have 2 people set it up, it's still very doable by yourself. All of the frame poles are already attached to the tent fabric, sort of like how an umbrella works. The first thing you want to do is lay the tent out flat like this. Next, pull out the short poles with the orange ends like this on all 4 corners. Then, pull the whole tent upward from the middle like so. Now, extend each corner pole until it locks into place. Do this for all 4 corners. If you haven't already, move the tent to the spot where you want it. Then, secure the tent to the ground using the tent stakes. Next, I'm going to attach the rainfly to the top of the tent. The rainfly helps keep rain from getting inside the tent, and it can also provide some extra protection from the sun. You'll also need tent stakes to secure parts of the rainfly to the ground, along with the straps and clips that attach the rainfly to the tent frame. And that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the inside and outside of the tent. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more practical how-to videos and product peeks. Thanks for watching. Bye.